What is your best childhood memory?
Your best childhood memory.
Do you have any memory?
I can knock my corner and chitin idea.
Anyway, Ibu agadi okay, so it has been long. Abi?
I brought them Barata. I can nature. Best childhood memory. Irienu Sisi. To climb trees. Yes, gives me fun.
Then, when your parents discover the scratches on your body, what happens?
Normally, I normally hide it. My father, as a gago he is. You see my stomach, he said, what is all this on your stomach, these wounds? I said, I have scratches. He said, what, this is a tree. This is a sign of trees. I enter trouble.
So which tree you normally climb? Which tree is good to climb?
During my own time, there's still a lot of trees around, Not now, everywhere has been developed.
Yeah, but it's not palm tree. Which tree is good to climb in Igbo land?
I climb coconut tree. I climb papaya.
With rope or without rope?
Without rope. Yeah, you go rope. You hold it with the
But papaya tree is not so thick, eh?
It's not so thick, but you can carry my weight. At least in those days, when was I then?
I remember what? There was a big mango tree in your grandfather's place.
Yes.
There's a time you are telling when we get to know, he's boasting about how he used to climb.
I climbed though, but I couldn't make it much. Up,
When was that? Like 6 years ago or so? You want to show me?
No, we get to know each other newly then.
10 years ago.
Like 10 years ago, yeah.
We were in the village. And
by then, Oyibo system has entered my body. But I climbed the mango now.
See, you want to go and show me how you can climb mango tree and shake down the mangoes. Not insulting you. I'm telling the truth
of
now.
Course, no.
You have to tell them. System change, You live in Europe, you forget how to climb trees.
I climbed the mango tree.
Sounds so berry.
I went there and she want me to go to the last branch where I can fall out.
But no mango was falling. That thing you climbed didn't help me anything. So after, who was that? How old was the man that climbed up after you?
I don't know.
Was like 60 years old.
Yeah, 1 million years
old. He make
tack.
He's up there shaking the tree for mango to fall. Anyway, me, I would have never managed to even get to the first branch. So you should be proud of yourself.
You cannot even. No, there's nothing to be proud of. It's a thing I did when I was a kid.
Okay.
And I know how to do it still. I don't know what shit you're talking. I didn't climb. I was climbing up, and I climbed up there. You're even telling me, please don't hurt yourself.
I was worried now.
Now you're telling that I didn't climb the tree. Why are you lying?
But you didn't bring down any mango for me, so the climbing was worthless. Abby?
My climbing up there, I didn't go up there to bring mango down.
Okay. Just to impress me.
Not impress you. I went up there just to climb the tree, and I know how to climb. Not a go.
All right, Udo.
There's no Udo here.
Udo.
You're talking cheat. Cheat, man.
You're talking trash.
Talking trash.